Choosing the right accounting software is a critical decision for any business, impacting everything from daily operations to long-term financial health. For project managers, freelancers, and small business owners, the choice often boils down to two heavyweights: FreshBooks and QuickBooks. While both aim to simplify financial management, they cater to slightly different needs and business models. So, the question isn't simply, is FreshBooks better than QuickBooks? But rather, which one is better for your specific needs? As a project management expert, I can tell you that the best tool is always the one that fits seamlessly into your existing workflows, automates tedious tasks, and provides the insights you need to make informed decisions. Let's break down FreshBooks and QuickBooks to help you determine which might be your champion. FreshBooks, the champion for service-based businesses and freelancers. Imagine you're a freelance graphic designer, a marketing consultant, or a small agency specializing in professional services. Your bread and butter are projects, billable hours, and clear client communication. This is where FreshBooks truly shines. Strengths of FreshBooks. Invoicing prowess. FreshBooks is renowned for its exceptional invoicing capabilities. It makes creating professional, customizable invoices a breeze. You can add your logo, specify project details, and even include track time and expenses directly onto the invoice. For service-based businesses that rely heavily on accurate and timely invoicing, this is a massive advantage. You can also set up recurring invoices and automated payment reminders, significantly reducing the chase for overdue payments. Time tracking built in. This is a game changer for project managers and freelancers who bill by the hour. FreshBooks has robust, integrated time tracking features. You can easily start and stop timers for different projects or tasks, ensuring every billable minute is captured. This seamlessly integrates with invoicing, allowing you to generate accurate invoices based on logged hours with just a few clicks. This direct connection between time tracking and invoicing is a significant time saver and accuracy booster. User-friendly interface. FreshBooks prides itself on its intuitive design and ease of use. Even if you have no accounting background, you can navigate the software with minimal effort. This makes it ideal for solopreneurs and small teams who wear multiple hats and need to manage their finances without a steep learning curve. Expense tracking simplicity. FreshBooks allows you to easily track expenses, categorize them, and even snap photos of receipts with its mobile app to attach them to transactions. This simplifies expense management and keeps your records organized for tax time. Client-centric features. Features like the client portal allow your clients to view invoices, make payments, and communicate directly with you. This enhances transparency and improves the overall client experience, which is crucial for professional service providers. Potential considerations for FreshBooks. While excellent for its target audience, FreshBooks might feel limited if your business operations extend beyond services. It's generally not designed for complex inventory management, robust payroll, though it offers integrations with payroll services, or highly intricate financial reporting. Its scalability is geared towards growing professional service businesses, not necessarily those with extensive product sales or a large number of employees requiring comprehensive payroll. QuickBooks, the comprehensive solution for diverse businesses. QuickBooks, particularly QuickBooks Online, is the accounting software giant for a reason. It offers a more comprehensive suite of features designed to handle a wider range of business needs, from small businesses to mid-sized enterprises. Strengths of QuickBooks. Comprehensive accounting. QuickBooks provides a full spectrum of accounting functionalities, including double-entry accounting, robust bank reconciliation, and detailed financial statements, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow. This makes it a powerful tool for businesses that require in-depth financial analysis and reporting. Scalability. QuickBooks is built to grow with your business. As your company expands, adds more employees, or diversifies its offerings, QuickBooks can accommodate those changes. Its various plans cater to different sizes and complexities of businesses, offering features like multiple user access, often included in higher tiers, inventory management in specific plans, and more advanced reporting. Payroll and inventory management. If your business sells physical products or has employees that require integrated payroll, QuickBooks generally offers more robust built-in solutions for these areas compared to FreshBooks. You can track inventory levels, manage purchase orders, and run payroll directly within the software, though payroll often comes as an add-on or in higher-tier plans. Extensive integrations. QuickBooks boasts a vast ecosystem of integrations with hundreds of third-party apps, covering everything from CRM systems to e-commerce platforms. This allows businesses to create a highly integrated operational hub, minimizing manual data entry and improving overall efficiency. Advanced reporting. For businesses that need detailed financial insights, QuickBooks offers a wide array of customizable reports. This allows you to drill down into specific financial data, analyze trends, and make more informed strategic decisions. Potential considerations for QuickBooks. The extensive features of QuickBooks can also be its Achilles heel for beginners. It often has a steeper learning curve, and its interface can sometimes feel overwhelming due to the sheer number of options. For a simple freelancer who primarily needs invoicing and expense tracking, QuickBooks might feel like overkill and potentially more expensive for features they don't need. The verdict: it's about fit, not better. Ultimately, neither FreshBooks nor QuickBooks is definitively better than the other. The ideal choice hinges entirely on your business model, its current size, and its anticipated growth. Choose FreshBooks if you are a freelancer, a solopreneur, or run a small service-based business where invoicing, time tracking, and simple expense management are your primary needs. You value an intuitive interface and a streamlined experience focused on getting paid efficiently for your work. Choose QuickBooks if you run a growing small to medium-sized business, sell products requiring inventory management, have employees requiring payroll, or need comprehensive financial reporting and a wider range of accounting functionalities. You're willing to invest time in learning a more robust system for long-term scalability.